There are three fundamental factors that have driven the development of the mezcal category: the appellation of mezcal origin, the official Mexican standard, better known as NOM 070, and the Mezcal Regulatory Council, or CRM. But how do these three factors benefit the mezcal category? The appellation of mezcal origin. An appellation of origin is the international protection granted for a product that has a specific geographical origin and that possesses unique qualities and characteristics, including environmental and human factors. Denominations of origin are granted to products that have reached a distinguished prestige. Therefore, it is necessary to protect this, to take care of producers and consumers, establishing a chain that safeguards the quality it has distinguished. Products with appellation of origin are internationally protected and cannot be produced anywhere else in the world except in the territories that conform to the techniques and specifications that mark the standards of each of these products. Mezcal obtained its protection in 1994. Today, this appellation of origin is applied to 963 municipalities in 9 states of Mexico. It has come to be the greatest denomination of origin on the planet, covering a territory of more than 500,000 square kilometers. Having discussed the benefits of the appellation of origin, now let's talk about the importance of the official Mexican standard, or NOM 070. In 1994, the Mexican government created the legislation that governs the standards and guidelines describing mezcal, how it should be produced, what are the physicochemical specifications, and how they should be labelled to convey truthful information to the consumer. However, this rule does not recognise the cultural values of our ancestral drink. Since 2013, mezcal producers and the Mezcal Regulatory Council have been promoting a new standard in which the cultural values of the Mexican drinking culture are recognised. Now, in 2017, after more than 4 years, these joint efforts have been realised. The new NOM 070, recognises the diversity of mezcal, highlighting and strengthening the artisanal and ancestral values that have made mezcal one of the most prestigious distillates in the world. In 1997, the Mezcal Regulatory Council, or CRM, was created. This is the certification body recognised by the Mexican authorities as the delegated authority with the aim of guaranteeing the authenticity, traceability, quality and sustainability of mezcal. In addition, the producers are given the task of organisation, education, protection and promotion of the young premium distillate industry in Mexico. Let's learn more about CRM activities. In order to guarantee the authenticity of the mezcal, a permanent verification of the process is required and starts with the selection of cutting of maguey. Nowadays, the Mezcal Regulatory Council, by means of its unit of maguey, has geo-referenced the nurseries and crops of maguey. In addition to the lands in which the wild maguey develops naturally. As a result of this work, it has been possible to identify the quantity of maguey available for the production of mezcal, in addition to obtaining the indicators that point to the consumption of wild maguey, which is an important step for the sustainability of these species. It has also generated a network of direct sales between magueyeros and mezcaleros, in order to avoid intermediaries and generate greater competitiveness in the market. So if a mezcal producer is interested in buying maguey from a specific site, they can make this contact directly through the owner of the plot, generating an alliance between magueyeros and mezcaleros that extends along the denomination of mezcal origin. Once in the factory, the verification unit of the CRM performs the inspection of the processes used, where the transformation of the maguey in the mezcal is verified. Once the mezcal has been made, it is transferred to the different containers in the Mexican territory, where they can receive added value by ripening it, stirring it, resting it, then packaging it by artisanal or mechanical means, and put the mark that distinguishes it. Finally, the means of the alliance with exporters and traders can reach more than 52 countries to which mezcal is currently exported. With the implementation of new technologies, the CRM has focused on demonstrating the traceability of each mezcal, for which, by means of a QR code, it has been established that the consumer can know the story behind their mezcal. This includes the appellation, the tools, the specific maguey, and the producer or master mezcalero who is behind the production of this particular mezcal. This allows the consumer to easily identify the class and category of their mezcal. The mezcal certification is of paramount importance in order to maintain the high quality standards. The only way to identify a true mezcal is if the bottle has the certification issued by the Mezcal Regulatory Council, which shows authenticity, traceability, quality and sustainability that the producers committed to their work want to maintain, so that the mezcal follows its path of success in the conquest of the international palate.